In this video, we are going to show you how to avail a 10% discount on your Coohom subscription. Now, Coohom is an all-in-one cloud-based interior design and 3D rendering platform. And if you want to try out their subscription, their paid plan, and you want to save a little bit, this is the video for you. So what you want to do is click on the link in the description below, and it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, the only difference between you and I is that I'm already logged into my account. So here on the upper right corner, you're going to be able to sign up. Once you are logged in, go look at your upper left corner this time and click on pricing. Now, once you're in the pricing page, if you scroll down a bit, you're going to see how much it's going to cost per plan. You have Pro, Elite, and Enterprise. So say I want to upscale to a Pro plan, right? All I need to do is click on this, and this prototypical checkout pop-up will appear. The only difference is you're going to see a promo code here, right? So it says here, have a promo code. Click on this, and this is going to appear. So here we want to paste our promo code for this, which is save10. Click apply. As you can see here, you are going to save $9. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.